So now that we've practiced how to write ratios in 3 different ways, we also are able to write our ratio in a sentence, which is very easy. So it's called a ratio comparison statement. So you say for every blank, there are blank. So you would put your ratio numbers in between. So for every 2 girls, there are 3 boys, just like that. So your first step to do that is to write the ratios out. Okay, so we're writing a ratio of fries to hamburgers. Oops, to hamburgers. Okay, if we're writing fries to hamburgers, let's first count how many fries we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, because the word 2 is right there. Hamburgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 hamburgers. Right about the colon. 4, colon, 5. 4 over 5. So now this is where you got to practice writing your ratio comparison statement. It's just like we say up here, for every. So you say for every, what was our first thing we were looking for? Fries. So for every 4 fries, there are, what are we looking for next? Hamburgers. 5 hamburgers. And that's how you write it in a sentence. That's a ratio comparison statement, writing a ratio in a sentence.